ride here from Coffee Beans Delivered. We're going to MICE, Melbourne International Coffee Expo. So let's go check it out. Just discovered Aremde. It's a brand new coffee manufacturer from Australia, based out of Queensland. The Dutch designer that's designed a new take on the traditional coffee machine. So let's go. This is Aremde, the designer of the Aremde. Tell me about this machine. Yeah, what come up with your design?
There was somebody who came to me and said that I have problems with the interior of a lot of coffee bars. Because the machine is all in front of you with a wall of steel, or in the back, and then you're making coffee with your back to your clients. I said, okay, I'll give it a try, because I'm from profession, I'm an architect. I make a building. I don't have any knowledge about coffee machines at all.
Really?
Wow. I know about, I like coffee. But coffee machines, no. Within 2 weeks, I was driving a car in the neighborhood of Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam. And I looked through my window and I thought, or anything like that. This is the theater I want to make.
It's a brilliant design. As someone who's been in the industry for 20 years, I've never seen anything like this before. The customer never used to be able to appreciate how good that golden liquid was dropping, and
now you have the experience. And so open up the curtains in the morning, and the theater can start and show can go on.
Exactly.
That's it.
It's brilliant. The only danger is that you can't hide any of your mistakes, so you're fully exposed.
No, but if you're a very confident barista, there's no problem at all.
That's right. So you came with the design, and then an industrial engineer had to work out how to make it operate?
That was Chef Michael from Brisbane.
Oh, right.
From Brisbane. We were 3 partners, so it is R and D. The R from Ractom, the M from Michael Moore, and D from Dom. So that's R&D.
And is it all unique parts, or is it a part of another machine that's been interpreted into that design? Because the handles look like a Nuova Simonelli, so I wasn't sure whether they were...
That's true.
That is from
okay. There are also a lot of new components in it, because the technique is new. There are also spare parts who are from others.
And from a mechanic's point of view, who has to service this?
At this moment we have our own crew. We are busy with a distributor network worldwide. We are only not busy with this machine. Yes, we innovate the machine. We make a new machine, but we are also busy with the milk dispenser, coffee grinder, everything.
What about a single group version for a home user? Is that in the works?
Everybody asks me.
I can see it. It looks perfect for the home user. If I'm building a new kitchen, I want that installed in the centre front of my kitchen. There are the markets there for that high end. If it was around the 13 or...
I promise you, we will think about it.
It's fantastic, and thank you very much for talking with us.
Okay, buy the machine.
Yes. How's it working on it?
And like the very first time you use it, like any new machine, you're like, this hasn't worked. But the second you pull the second shot, you're like, oh, it's just a coffee machine.
Is it manual? There's only one button for each brew head. There's 2. Okay, so one button is for one single shot and a manual.
So currently it's just one setting for one push.
So just you can't. There's no manual override.
No, not at the moment with these ones. So the new ones are going to have 3 different settings. So you'll be able to have a free pour, 2 different doses, like one short click, a double click, or a push and hold.
Wow, wonderful.
You can also program each group head to different temperature if you want it. So you want a black coffee and you're running a really good one, but you need the temperature a little bit lower. You can change that on this one, and you can have your other 2 for white. It doesn't have to all be the same. So you can change the pressure of them, the temperature, the volume.
How do you go about steaming milk on this? Because the steam ones are smaller. Are they Cool Touch?
They're Cool Touch. I actually designed them. So,
did you?
It's also dry steam in the boiler, so it makes beautiful microfoam. So basically the beauty of this one is that you can also...
put it straight underneath.
Yeah, you can put it underneath. So say you've got your 1 litre jug or your 600 ml, you just want to leave it there, pull a shot, come back. You can also have it here. You can come around
the other side.
Come around the other side.
That is cool. That is incredible.
So then, yeah, you've got your people pouring. They've poured it on the floor straight away. You don't have to worry about coming around.
Yeah, I love that. Well, how special was that? We got to speak with the Dutch designer Remke van der Donk, and he managed to share with us his whole story about how he came out with that design. And I think it's beautiful that he has thought about it from a perspective of the consumer. So to break down that barrier between the consumer and the barista, now there's that space to talk. I loved the fact that you could swap out the steam one and put it on the other side. What I find really difficult about a lot of the other modern machines is that the steam one is really in the way of the rest of the coffee making process. So if you just want them steam and you need to steam 2 different milks at the same time, you can't. It's very difficult. But with the Aremde, you can jump on the other side of the counter, steam milk there, pour the milk there, and your customer gets to be involved with that whole process. So I love it, and I'm really excited to see what this Australian company will do in the future.